battery put on this thing here.
Good. I didn't measure them. I don't know what the measuring tape is.
Hey folks, sun's going down now, and just kind of wanted to show you what we got accomplished today on the roof rack, or the roof racks, or the solar panel racks. Anyhow, this is what we got. These are your outer legs, those are your inner legs, and we'll be putting on. We're only going to put feet on this one and that one, the outer ones. That one and that one and that one. Also those, all the outer ones, the two center ones, the four center ones. They're not going to have legs on them or feet on them, what I call them. These are the legs here, and then I'm going to have a pivoting foot that I bolt on, that bolts through the roof. I'll show you Wes Transcend Existence did them on a bus, on a roof rack, and really liked, because it automatically adjusts when you set it on the roof. It adjusts to the curve of the roof. So we're putting those feet, I call them, on all the outer legs except for these right here. The front, I guess you'd say the front legs and the back legs. And then this here, this one and this one are going to be bolted together. This is the center legs. Those are the center legs. So they'll be enclosed, and then we'll have legs on those, but we're not sure how long yet. And then we're going to put feet on these also, so they adjust to the contour of the roof. But we have to put more legs on these things here. Those are just, they're not temporary, but we know we're going to have to put more on to support it. That's going to have two solar panels, one on this one on that one. And then in the center is going to be my vent. So anyhow, that's what we got going on. What we had going on today. You could see us up on the roof. I would like to request something from you folks. Any of you have a DJI Mavic? That's M-A-V-I-C, I believe. Mavic. I'm looking for one. Get a hold of me. If you're, looking maybe to upgrade yourself, then I might be interested in getting it if the price is right, or if you want, you can donate it. But I'm looking for one with a camera on it. Doesn't have to be the best camera in the world, just a camera. But I'm looking for one so I can get some good footage above the bus and that kind of stuff. So if any of you out there have a Mavic and it works, keyword works, contact me at this number, at this email address right here, and tell me the price you want for it, or if you want to donate it, I'll send you my mailing address, and we go from there. But anyhow, thanks for watching, and like I said, over here, please subscribe, and like or dislike, either way. It helps. Like and dislike, especially like, helps it grow my channel faster. But anyhow, hit the subscribe button over here, and then a bell will appear, a bell icon will appear. You got to click that, and that will automatically send you notifications of when I upload new videos. So please do that, and please like or dislike. Anyhow, thanks for watching.